that. So once you create an account, you'll have one main space. And it'll look like this. And these are all my other spaces that I created. The difference between a space and a posting is where you can share. So if I wanted to put a post on about the Friday salad buffet, I would come down to here. You could edit. You could delete this post if you want to. Or you could view it on the website. So just clicking on the edit. You have the option of uploading images, pictures. You could do hyperlinks. You could change the font, the color, and then when you're done, you just go to update. I'm just using this menu here. You can manage your members. You can add members by simply putting their email address and just clicking add. And once again, you can make this private or public. It's up to you. Pages and links, that's a little bit more of an advanced task. But if you have like articles from a certain website that you want to use, you can create that. The privacy settings, that's the most important one. You can control who can view your site. You can make it public. You can make it private. You can do it by invite. Who can post? Like I mentioned before, I approve which recipes would get posted on there. Or you could just have members do it. Who can comment? It can be everybody. Only logged in users, nobody. And once again, you can approve the comments. And then the content that's being posted up there, you can show where the download links come from or the location. So the privacy setting is mainly where all the control comes from. Customize, you can pick different templates that you want. And then the auto posts, like I mentioned before, if you put one post, it could go to your Facebook, your Twitter account, you just add this service. And that could be different for each website. So for example, if I just wanted something to go to Facebook, I would just add the service and put the Facebook account. Okay. The menu bars, top right here, the reader, that's just how you can read your activity that's going on. This is all the activity that I've done. Popular spaces. And if, for example, if I wanted to follow this one, I would just click on it and then I would be following this page. Activity just shows you who's the last person comment on each space or who's following you. And then these are all the spaces that I created, and then these are the ones that I follow. I just clicked on that one. On the left side here, this is the welcome. You can take a quick tour. Once again, you can customize the site. And then this is just showing you that you can get this on your phone as well. You can edit your profile. You can change your account to a different email address. When I did do this with Horry County, you have to confirm the email, and it did come up as spam, so I would recommend maybe doing it in Yahoo or AOL. You can control the notifications, like if you get it on your phone, instead of it always going off, you could just change it to daily, weekly, or never. And then just going back again, the manage spaces, you can manage your spaces, edit, add more posts, find friends. So if you have a Facebook account and you want to invite some friends, you could do that. And then, like I mentioned before, I have to improve the comments, so this is just kind of like a notification. I have 3 comments that need to be approved. If you would, on this bottom part here, go ahead and click on Public Blog, and you should be able to click on the comment, and just answer the question, how could you use blogs in your classroom? Or how could you use posters in your classroom? What I had my students do in PowerPoint was select a topic based on a chronic illness, and they had to do research one day in the lab and then make a PowerPoint. Well, this time I had them have an option of either doing a PowerPoint or using a Prezi. And what we have here are the students that chose to do a Prezi and their reasons why.
Play one. Okay, we gotta talk a little loud. Melanie, why did you choose to do Prezi over PowerPoint?
I chose to do Prezi over PowerPoint because it's easier, and also because I've been using Prezi for a while, and I thought that doing it this way would be a lot easier.
Okay.
And once you create an account, go to New Prezi, and if you, what you'll put is your title. Go ahead and put You in Teaching. Examples, description, or practice, because we want to show you how to do it. Templates, but we're going to go with the blank one. So click on the blank and click Start Editing. And you have a couple menus here. I'm going to start from the top. This will automatically save your Prezi. Gives you even the military time here. You could always undo or redo. And in the meeting, like I mentioned, if you wanted to do this with somebody else, you could invite them to edit, or just go ahead and start your online presentation. You can print Prezis. You can print Prezis. They come out as a PDF form. And if you do get stuck, there's always this help button here that you can click on, and these are your options. And this if you want to insert a picture, you can go to your images. You can select from your file on your computer, or if you want to just search the internet. And I'm just going to go ahead and use the chocolate. It will give you all these different types of pictures that you could use for chocolate. The next, if you want to do a text, let me zoom in here a little bit. And this little hand, it moves the canvas around. Like I wanted to get to that text box. Move it, just clicking and dragging. So it says double click to add text. That's the box that you get. So I'm going to type in my name. And you have your options here to put it on the left side, the center. You can also go to the right. Just like in a Microsoft Word document, you could add bullets if you want, indentions. Just paste your URL. And if this was a picture or a video, it would just automatically embed it right in. Like the videos I showed you with the students that came up from YouTube, I just copy and paste the URLs and embed it into a video. Same with pictures. If you save them on your H drive, your file at school, just copy and paste it, and it'll automatically post that picture there for you. The only thing about the URLs is you have to save your Prezi, and then exit out of it. And then once you go back to it, that link will be live. But you have to exit out of it. That's one little keynote when you're doing the URLs. Show you guys how to make a path. Okay, this is too big for me. Where am I going to go? I'm going to zoom onto this. What side? Left or right? Right. Yeah, and you just hit this.
And also, if you have a mouse that has the scrolling wheel, you can also use your scrolling wheel to zoom in and out.
All right, but now we're going to have you guys make one. And there's a couple of us that have done this before, so we'll help you if needed. All right, creative Prezi. Your topic's going to be you and teaching. We'd like your name, the subject you teach, the location, how many years, and if you can find a educational website or video, go ahead and copy and paste it in there. Make sure you guys use colored font. You have a path, zooming, a picture, and a URL link. And this will be an example of what it will look like.